Heading somewhere and want someone to know you arrived safely? Your iPhone 17 includes a feature called Check-in inside the Messages app that automatically notifies a trusted contact when you reach your destination. It's perfect for late-night trips, solo travel, or long drives. Here's how to use it. First, open the Messages app. Go to the conversation with the person you want to send the check-in to. Tap the plus icon next to the message field. From the list of options, select Check-in. If it's your first time using it, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked whether you want to share limited or full data. Limited data typically shares location and battery status, while full data may include route details and more. Tap Edit to customize your check-in details. You can set your destination, adjust a timer, or configure workout-related tracking if applicable. When you're done, tap the blue checkmark in the top right corner to confirm. Add a message if you'd like, then tap Send. If your iPhone detects that you haven't reached your destination within the expected time, it will automatically notify your chosen contact. If you ever want to adjust what information is shared, open Settings, tap Apps, select Messages, then tap Data under the Check-in section. And that's it. If this video helped you stay safer while traveling with your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other videos for more useful features you can use every day.